going on, everybody? I'm Oscar, you're watching Oscar Outdoors. So check it out, we're at it again. We got the sticker right off the bat. Think you guys can identify this for me real quick? What do you think that is? Might be a little easy. That's a turtle. It's called a carapace. Turtle shells. Yeah, so we're gonna try it out here again, man. See if we can't find some drum or other shooter fish, but specifically drum. But I'll hit anything that gives me the opportunity. Let's go check it out. Man, you guys, it's beautiful out here. Got a nice cool breeze going. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. Getting our exercise in at the same time. Doing a little adventuring. Beautiful water. Oh. Man, I just found some Ray-Bans. Can y'all believe that? Look at this, man. And they're not even that scratched up. Evolve. I know Ray-Bans aren't cheap. Are they? No. My mom used to work there a long time ago. She used to get free ones. I'll have to put these in the pocket. Man, look at that. Ray-Bans. Already. Not even 5 minutes into the video, you guys. That's what I'm talking about. Made my day. Give them to my wife. If she wants them, I don't know. It's a little guy. I look like a little garter snake. He's cool. Look at this dude. Little garter snake. Got a pretty little red stripe on his back. Harmless, you guys. Let's let him go. Went right into that water, didn't he? They're good swimmers. All right, we got a twofer here. Can y'all figure this one out? Yeah, that's got to be a little white bass. All right, what about this one? You're right, that's a catfish. There's another one for you. This one's got to be easy. What's that? That's gar. That's pretty cool. I might keep this one. It's in pretty good condition, sort of. Boat flips only. Is this head any good? Looks all right. Born on the water. That head don't actually look too half bad. Just need a little bit of bleach and water. I think I'll save this one too. Cool. You never know when you need a good rope. Getting it all out here today. Look at this. Looks like a for a boat. Cool. Continue on. Whoa. Can anyone identify this one? It's a little curveball here. I'll give you a hint. It's a baby armadillo. There ain't no hint really, but that's the shell of a little armadillo. Look at that little tail. That's cool. Hard as a rock. Like a gar or something. Baby armadillo. Found all kinds of stuff out here today. Yeah, so besides those cool little animals and stuff and those Ray-Bans and those hats, didn't see too many fish out today. Look, here's the other part of it's the collar. That's the collar part of that armadillo right there. Yeah, but like I said, we didn't find too much over here. We're gonna go change spots and see if we can get some luck somewhere else, you guys. Let's check it out. Yeah, man, just for the record, these Ray-Bans, I looked them up. They're like 195 bucks, man, like $200 Ray-Bans. Score! Well, looks like we got a couple things going on here. We got a drum right there, you can see the shadow, and a buffalo looks like up there. It's doing this long feeding trail right there. Kind of far out there. There goes that drum. There goes that buffalo up there. That's a big old buffalo over there. That's the one I want right there. Dang. You're gonna come right here. Texas armadillo, you guys. That guy's cool. I seen him here last year, I think. He has a little burrow in there. He's cool. I think we found his dead brother earlier. Somewhere else though. Texas armadillo. Back to that one. Come on now. I get that one over All right, man, we got that drum. I don't know if we got it on camera, but I shot that bad boy. Oh, I hope I did. Oh man, if I can't get this camera to stay up. There you go. There you go, guys. Let's get them to the house and cook them up.